Hustlers Ecom. It's where I teach the people how to start dropshipping and e-commerce. It's literally the #1 course here in Dubai, mashallah. It's growing so fast, having over 450 students.
All you do is lie to me.
Yo, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Boys, welcome back to a brand new video. A lot have changed since the last video that I did, a day in the life of a 19-year-old millionaire. First thing first, I got a beard, alhamdulillah. Today is gonna be a brief day of what I do. Alhamdulillah, just got done praying Fajr. That's the success of the morning. You guys gotta do that, inshallah. And then I'm gonna go over my day, what I'm gonna do today. I have boxing training and stuff like that, so I'm gonna take you guys through the whole thing, inshallah. And I hope you guys enjoyed this whole video. And if you guys do, make sure you guys do subscribe. People are looking at me, but you know, it's part of the YouTube grind. So yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna have to finish some stuff, then I'm gonna go to sleep, and then I'm gonna get done with my daily goals, inshallah. Write it all down, which is one of them is shooting a YouTube video, inshallah. So yeah, just gonna finish all of this, inshallah. And once I'm done, gonna go hit the bed. Just got done with the daily goals and the monthly goals. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day, inshallah. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm gonna do today, so let's go. Alright boys, so this is a day in the life of a 19-year-old millionaire here in Dubai. Now you guys saw the last video, you guys really enjoyed it, so I'm doing a part 2. Today is gonna be much more fun. It's not Burj Al Arab, but it is Atlantis the Royal. I've got a meeting for Hustlers Ecom. If you guys don't already know what's Hustlers Ecom, it's where I teach the people how to start dropshipping and e-commerce. And it's literally the #1 course here in Dubai, mashallah. It's growing so fast and we're having over 450 students. So for all of the students, I always try to bring something new, and that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna meet with a huge company that might sponsor or be a partner of Hustlers Ecom, and it's gonna be really big. So I will not get you guys bored. We're gonna straight go to the Atlantis, the palm. Once I reach, I'm gonna tell you guys the whole plan, the whole day. And yeah, I've got another meetup which I'm gonna take you guys through and show you guys what a day of a 19-year-old millionaire looks like. I'm gonna be honest, Ehsanszz Gaji is a really inspiration to me. You know, the way he lives his life and stuff like that. And I want to live a life like, you know, something like that. You know, I always of course want to work, but apart from work, have a day where I actually enjoy everything that I do, you know. Yeah, hopefully today will be one of those days, inshallah. And yeah, let's see how it goes.
I bet you wish that I was still right there. Used to live right there. Now I'm everywhere. Got bitches everywhere. I'm so debonair. I'm a millionaire. I act like I don't care.
Alright boys, we are at the beautiful Royal Palm. It's actually gorgeous and beautiful. And we're gonna have the meeting in Ling Ling. You guys don't know, it's a restaurant in the 26th floor over here. You're gonna have the meeting. I'm gonna show you guys the food. I'm gonna show you guys around, the view and everything. So you guys are gonna enjoy it definitely. And right here, the view is so beautiful, mashallah, like so majestic. But yeah, I'll take you guys around and let's see how it goes. Alright boys, we're at the beautiful Ling Ling restaurant here at the Royal. And look at the view boys, mashallah, like it's so gorgeous. Just waiting for my partner to appear here, you know, talk about the partnership and stuff like that. And I also want to talk about how you can literally change your life. Like if you guys literally looked at my life 2 years ago, I was nowhere close to even being at this restaurant, you know, even though, you know, it might not be that expensive or anything like that, you know. I never imagined myself here, you know. But it's all about you working hard, putting in the work, and actually thinking about achieving your dreams, you know. That's the only way you're gonna make it out, you know. And that goes to every teenager who wants to live a life like me, like Ehsanszz Gaji, Luke Belmer, literally anyone who you see as your role model. You could literally live their life. All you have to do is literally put more work than an average teen, you know, which sounds easy. It is hard, you know. You gotta find a way to actually overtake them. But honestly, at this stage, I think it's very easy. All you have to do is actually be better than them, you know. Find something that makes you more money than them, you know. And yeah, it's all about you being smart, being quick. And if you actually find something faster than others and you're actually smart with it, you can leverage it to your benefit so much. So yeah, that's all I'm trying to say, boys. And look, again, the view says it all, boys. We're gonna go out and I'm gonna show you guys more, of course. But yeah, this is just fantastic, boys. And we are waiting for the food, so yeah, more vlog to come.
I'm a millionaire. I act like I don't care. That's cause I don't care. Money coming, nigga can't lose it.
Alright boys, alhamdulillah we got done with the meeting in Atlantis, the Royal. I couldn't really film the meeting for you guys, but alhamdulillah I got something crazy for my students, a good deal, so I'll let you guys know very soon. But yeah, right now I'm heading to another meeting. We're gonna go have a quick meeting with my partner in e-commerce, talk about a few things, and also have a new shipping company for Saudi Arabia on how my students can utilize it and stuff like that. So the day's been amazing, alhamdulillah. After the meeting I'm gonna catch up with you guys, so yeah, see you guys in a bit. So yeah boys, I think I'm gonna call it a day, a night, whatever it is, you know, a day or night in the life of a teen millionaire. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just got back home. You guys might think it's a Rolls Royce, but it's just a normal Dodge Charger. But yeah, Rolls Royce soon, who knows, Allah alam, inshallah bro, I'm gonna work hard for it. Life is beautiful guys, you guys already know that of course. You guys need to work hard as much as you can and actually get your dreams and your life sorted out, you know, as soon as possible. If you guys are interested in starting dropshipping and e-commerce here in the MENA region in GCC, I have the perfect guide for you guys. It's completely up to you guys. I'm not trying to plug you guys the course, but also I'm trying to do it because I want you guys to actually take action. Even if it's not my course, literally, wallahi, whatever you think that can change your life, literally take that action and actually do it for the sake of your, you know, your life and the fact that you've been gifted this life and you have to take the full advantage out of it. So yeah, I won't talk too much. I think this is it guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.